Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and in a series of videos that I've been posting that I really enjoy because there's a lot of comments and people are reacting. It's Microsoft's fault. Do you think Microsoft should have released Windows 12 this year? Do you think that rather than going through the Windows plus Copilot, Qualcomm PCs, and going through 24H2 that's coming up later this year, Microsoft should have released a Windows 12? Now, what about if they took what we have in Windows 11, had the new features, and just call it Windows 12? I'm not sure that would have really worked well. In terms of the PCs coming with Qualcomm processors that actually have the Copilot plus PC branding, I would see that probably more with Windows 12 and, of course, the recall feature and all of that. But then again, did Microsoft make a big mistake and just scrapping the Windows 10 brand, Windows 12, branding, and saying, well, we're continuing with Windows 11? Is that slowing down the progress of Windows 11? That's an interesting question. Would people have moved on easily to Windows 12 instead? We say it all the time. We always have that Windows version that people skip. And maybe Windows 11 is the Windows version people wanted to skip. There's a lot of negativity from users on it, so that probably doesn't help the general population in making a decision. But would a release of Windows 12 later this year, even if it is similar to Windows 11, would that have changed anything? Is it Microsoft's fault that we're still in a stuck moment where Windows 11 doesn't move much and people are keeping Windows 10? Would it make a big difference? So anyways, all comments are yours. If you want mine, well, yeah, maybe it could have changed something. Because even if it would have been similar to Windows 11, people would have heard of a new version of Windows. So that skippable version, that version that everybody jumps over, would have been there. So I don't know. It's an interesting factor to take in here. Would it have changed something? I don't know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.